The MTX voice call-out subscription allows you to call standard phone numbers globally, right from your internet-enabled devices. It offers the most competitive and transparent pricing, ensuring clear visibility into your communication costs. How to activate MTX voice call-out subscription? Scan this QR code with your iOS device camera app. Go to the App Store and search for MTX Connect eSIM for travel and tap Get. For Android, search for the MTX Connect app on Google Play. The app will be downloaded to your phone. Please follow the instructions to become an MTX Connect subscriber. To quickly enjoy the voice calling subscription, we recommend using the Pay-As-You-Go Start package, which gives you €10 on your account balance to be used for both data and calls. Enjoy instant eSIM setup for compatible smartphones for possible data use where other means of connection are not available. If your smartphone doesn't support eSIM, the classic SIM card option is also available and will be mailed to you within a few days. To enable the MTX voice call-out subscription, navigate to the Subscriptions tab on the app's dashboard and select the MTX voice call-out subscription. In order to be able to subscribe, you must be an MTX Connect subscriber and your account must be verified with a current photo ID matching the address in your profile. And that's it! How to make a call? To make a call, go to the Calls tab, dial the number you wish to call and tap Call. Allow microphone access if prompted. To call from your contacts, navigate to the Contacts tab. Allow access. Select the contact and tap the phone number. To redial recent calls, go to the Recent tab and select the call record. Your calls will start instantly. Soon, MTX Connect subscribers will be able to upgrade the voice call-out subscription to a full two-way voice calling subscription using +44 and +352 numbers. Stay tuned! In case of any questions, you can always contact our customer support via in-app chat, email, phone or Telegram.